Here I have the tactical gloves by TAC9ER, and the reason why I got this is I needed something that was heat resistant, also cut proof, so I didn't have to worry about getting my hands cut. The material is made out of Kevlar. It has protective knuckle armor and finger shields, along with the ability to be able to be on your cell phone while you're using the gloves. But this is great for going out shooting, being on a motorcycle, be out in the yard. Say you're using a chainsaw and you need to protect your hands. So this is great for outdoors. So here you have, I'm showing you the protective knuckles. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. So considering I'm 6'1", I actually feel a little bit big for being large. I have a little bit of room in my thumb, a little bit more room in my fingers and the fingertips. So if I bring it down tight, probably fits better. Hook and loop, this, and also this added focal right here. And you can use a cell phone using these fingertips. Protective knuckles. It's pretty durable. Goodness. That would hurt. Get hit with those. And the palm is anti-slip, wear resistant. What I like about it, it provides a lot of protection and you're able to function fully while wearing these gloves. And they actually feel pretty comfortable. It's real nice and soft on the inside. A convenient feature with these gloves is that they both have a hook. So you can hang dry them or hang storage them. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.